Today I'm reviewing some circuits and we calculate it manually and then simulate in Proteus to see if our answers are correct or not. So basically in our first slide we will see that there are two current sources and having four resistance. Resistor 1 have two resistance, R2 have 3, R3 have 4 and R4 have 6 resistance. After that we have three unknown voltages and having a known voltages which is ground, and ground is equals to 0 voltages. By applying formulas and doing it mathematically, we have to show that our answers are correct or not. So we use Proteus app. So we made a circuit on Proteus and simulate it. After simulate it, we see that we get our three answers at node V1, V2 and V3. As we can see that V1 has 80 watts, V2 had minus 64 watts and V3 have positive 156 watts. Next slide, we saw that our new circuit which have one voltage source and is 5 resistance and one current source. So in this we have to find the currents across our three nodes. So firstly we calculate it mathematically and now we have to show that our answers are correct or not. Now if we run it on Proteus, we will see that we get three answers across node 1, node 2 and node 3. In our next slide, we have to calculate voltages across resistors. So in this circuit we have a voltage source, a current source and two resistors. R1 has 8 resistance and R2 has 4 resistance. Now we have to calculate it by solving, and after that we have to simulate it on Proteus. As you can see, after running the circuit in Proteus, we will see that voltages across resistance.